Hello, I'm in a 2016 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you make sure your vehicle's all turned on, which this is. And then we're going to do this configuration button here. So I'm pushing that button, just like so. And then I'm going to scroll down until you get to phone settings here. And then I'll push enter. And then push enter again on Bluetooth. And there's a limited number of devices you can have. So you might need to delete a device first before you can add a new one. This one has none stored right now, so I don't need to delete any, so we'll go back. And then pair device, we'll select that. Now from your phone, make sure it's on and your Bluetooth is on, which is that symbol. And often if you push and hold, it'll pull up your pairing menu. Alright, so now we're gonna just wait until we see something for the car pop up. Sometimes this takes a few minutes. You might need to restart your phone and retry a few times or restart the car, but usually it comes up pretty quick. Alright, there's Buick Encore, so we'll select that. And then as you can see up here, it's got these random numbers that match the phone. And you can link your contacts and call history if you want. So I'm now paired there. And we should be connected. So now you should be able to take calls, texts, play music, things like that. Newer models, you can sometimes sync up your navigation and maps as well. And then again, confirmation if you want to sync up messages and all that. And if you're having issues getting your music to play, first I'd make sure your volume's on your phone and that you've got whatever music pulled up that you want to play. And then from here, also make sure the volume's on your vehicle, and you can toggle through the source button to make sure that you're on the Bluetooth here as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.